Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover the project structure in Blazor's server application. So basically it is a ASP.NET Core application. So ASP.NET Core has a program file and it has a main method. In the program file there is a main method. Main method is the entry point of the application. So it will create the web server like IIS, Express and IIS, and it will call the startup class with the help of use startup extension method. So startup class, so this file is completed. So going to the startup class, startup.cs class, it will contain two methods, configure and configure services. Configure services basically configure all the required services to run the application. So we can add our own service here like weather forecast service is added, so we can add our own service like in this container. And add server side blazor basically add all the server side blazor services required to run the application. In configure method there are two methods which is specific to blazor server application, that is MapBlazorHub and MapFallbackToPage. So MapBlazorHub will configure the SignalR endpoint in the server, and MapFallbackToPage will basically define the root component of the application. So this is the landing page of the application, that is underscore host, which is present in pages folder. So here from this page, from this component, all the components are loaded. So Blazor is basically a component driven application. The root page of the application, that is the underscore dot host dot cshtml, basically contain a javascript file, that is blazor.server.js. This file is used to set up the real-time SignalR connection. So after going to the root page, we are going to the root component of the application, that is App.razor. Basically this is the file app. So this is the App.razor is the root component of the application. So here there is a um, HTML syntax like root view. Root view basically used to root the application. Suppose you are saying like you want to go to the counter.razor page. So here with the help of page directive we can go to the counter page by adding the slash counter with the URL, that is the root URL slash counter, then we can go to this page. With the help of this we can achieve this with the help of the root view. Root view basically used to uh, navigate to the corresponding page like counter.razor, error.razor, cshtml fetch data.razor. So basically in this way we can move to the different component and we can inherit, means we can use the different component also. Like if we want to use the counter razor in different components, suppose we want to use that counter.razor in different components, so basically by going to different component we can only write counter tag. So here we are using the counter component. If I run the solution in IS Express, if I click on IS Express, it will take some time to build the solution. So if I go to the fetch data page, then here you can see the counter component is present. All the functionalities of the counter component are present in fetch data page. So basically we can use any component and we can basically use any component inside another component itself. In this way we can achieve. And after that there are many predefined components in the template like counter razor error html. So basically this page will be countered whenever there is some unhandled exception happen, or whenever we want to navigate to that page. Suppose we want to navigate to this page, then after the address url we can type error, then we will be able to see the content of this page, that is the error page. After that we can go to the www.root folder. So this folder contain all the static files like css files, javascript files. All the static files are present in this folder www root. So this file import.razor will contain the common namespace. So there is no need to include that namespace in the component razors. So it will contain all the common namespace, and after that in Blazor WebAssembly inside www.root folders there is an extra index.html file. So this file is the root page of the WebAssembly project, and this file contains Blazor WebAssembly JavaScript. So this blazor.webassembly.javascript.js file will contain all the functionality, like it will download the compile code, its dependencies, and the .NET runtime to the client browser. So this is all about the folder structure and the project structure in Blazor WebAssembly and Blazor server application. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.